Hello everybody, this is Sai Lakshman Pawar. I have completed my post-graduation in physics from Institute of Science, Mumbai, and I have 6 years experience of teaching physics.
Today we are going to study or learn about oscillation and linear simple harmonic motion from chapter Oscillation of 12th Physics. So, before going to oscillation or oscillatory motion, we first see what is periodic motion. What is periodic motion? Periodic motion is any motion which repeats itself in equal intervals of time is known as periodic motion. For example, motion of a moon around the earth. We all know about periodic motion. Now we start with oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is basically periodic motion. In oscillatory motion, object or particle move to and fro or back and forth from its mean position. So definition of oscillatory motion is the periodic to and fro or back and forth motion of an object about its mean position is called an oscillatory motion. What is mean position? At mean position, the net force acting on body is equal to 0. Mean position also called as equilibrium position. Some examples of the oscillatory motions are spring of mass, tuning fork, swing as shown in figure. So first see here, spring loaded with mass moves to and fro or up and down. Second, tuning fork. When tuning fork is in vibrating mode, its fork vibrates to and fro. Similarly, swing. So we understand oscillatory motion. It is periodic motion in which object moves to and fro or back and forth about its mean position. All oscillatory motions are periodic motions, but all periodic motions are not oscillatory motions. Always remember, all oscillatory motions are periodic motion, but all periodic motions are not oscillatory motions. As we have seen in chapter number 1, uniform circular motions are periodic in nature, but uniform circular motions are not oscillatory motion because object in uniform circular motion never perform to and fro motion. Then simple harmonic motion. What is meant by simple harmonic motion? Simple harmonic motion is the simplest form of oscillatory periodic motion. The simplest form of oscillatory periodic motion is known as simple harmonic motion, and short form of simple harmonic motion is SHM, denoted by SHM. In simple harmonic motion, every particle of oscillating body moves to and fro about its mean position along a certain fixed path. Certain fixed path is important because simple harmonic motion are of two types: linear simple harmonic motion and angular simple harmonic motion. In linear simple harmonic motion, object moves to and fro in straight line, but in angular simple harmonic motion, object move on a circular arc. So simple harmonic motion divided into two types: linear simple harmonic motion and angular simple harmonic motion. In linear simple harmonic motion, object moves to and fro in a linear form or straight line. And angular simple harmonic motion, the object performing angular simple harmonic motion moves in circular arc. So we now learn about linear simple harmonic motion. So as in figure, if we see in second diagram here, and spring is loaded with mass on one end and another end of the spring is fixed to the rigid support. spring loaded with mass M and fixed to the rigid support. So in second diagram, spring is in rest position. At rest position or at a mean position. Mean position here denoted by O. At mean position, also equilibrium position, the net force acting on body is equal to 0. Net force acting on body is equal to 0. So here this position of a spring is rest position or mean position or equilibrium position. Suppose we stretch the spring towards the right, then spring get stretched towards the right at a distance x. Distance of the spring at right will increase. Distance or displacement is equal to x. Now we stretch the spring towards the right, but force due to elastic properties of the spring are towards the left. So force towards the left but displacement towards the right. So force and displacement are opposite to each other. So F is directly proportional to x but sign is negative. So F is directly proportional to x but is in opposite direction. Similarly, as shown in this third figure, if we compress the spring, the force is in right direction but displacement is in left direction, and displacement and force are opposite to each other. When spring performs linear simple harmonic motion, every particle of spring performs to and fro motion, one time right, one time left. So in linear form, spring performs linear simple harmonic motion. So definition of linear simple harmonic motion from example of spring, we can say that linear simple harmonic motion is defined as the linear periodic oscillatory motion of a body in which restoring force or acceleration is always direct towards the mean position. First point, the restoring force. See, restoring force is always directed towards the mean position. And second, the magnitude of force is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position. Magnitude of force is directly proportional to displacement. F and x are in equal proportionality. But remember, only direction is opposite. When we stretch spring to right, then force is in left side. When we compress the spring towards the left, then force is in right side. So, definition of linear SHM, the restoring force or acceleration is always direct towards the mean position and magnitude of force is directly proportional to the displacement from the mean position. Therefore, equation is F is directly proportional to x but in opposite direction, so minus x. When proportionality converted into equality, force F is equal to minus kx. We get one proportionality constant, that is spring constant, and value of spring constant depends upon the elastic properties of the spring. So we see today oscillatory motion and linear simple harmonic motion. Thank you.